Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to walk you through setting up Google Calendar for maximum productivity. Whether you're managing personal tasks or a busy work schedule, Google Calendar can help you stay organized and efficient. 1. Sync all your calendars. Start by syncing all your calendars into Google Calendar. This way, everything from personal to work events will appear in one place. You can sync calendars from different platforms like Outlook or Apple Calendar for a unified view. 2. Create different calendars for specific areas. Use different calendars for different areas of your life, such as work, personal, and appointments. You can color code them to make it easier to distinguish between them at a glance. This keeps everything organized without overwhelming one calendar. 3. Set up recurring events. For tasks or events that repeat, set them up as recurring. This is perfect for weekly meetings, daily work routines, or monthly check-ins. It saves you the hassle of manually adding them every time and ensures you stay on top of recurring tasks. 4. Block time for focus work. One of the best productivity hacks is scheduling focus time. Block out chunks of your day where you can work on deep tasks without interruptions. Mark these as busy so others can see that you're unavailable during these times. 5. Use reminders and notifications. Set reminders for important events, meetings, or deadlines. Google Calendar allows you to customize notifications, whether you want to be reminded an hour before, a day before, or at a custom time. This ensures you never miss an important task. 6. Share calendars with team members. Google Calendar makes it easy to share your calendar with team members or family. This is great for collaborative projects or planning group activities. You can also set permissions to decide who can view or edit the calendar. 7. Integrate Google Calendar with other apps. To streamline your workflow, integrate Google Calendar with other productivity apps like Google Keep for notes, Trello for task management, or Zoom for scheduling meetings. This keeps everything connected and makes it easier to manage your time. With these steps, you'll be able to optimize Google Calendar and boost your productivity. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips. See you in the next one.